Hi all. Today we have a visionary, a leader, an investor, and MD of Exchange for Media, and also the editor-in-chief of Business World. He's none other than Dr. Anurag Batra. Welcome, Dr. Batra, on our show with
Thank you,
Your
Udit.
Reality
It's my
with Udit.
pleasure.
Catching hold of you is not an easy thing, but definitely spending some time on a weekend. It's an honor to have you on our show.
Udit, I've known you for last 15 years, so I'm happy that I'm talking to you and apologize. I have lots of things to do and, that's why we're doing it on Sunday so that I am relaxed and I'm fully in the
Absolutely.
moment and in the conversation. And honestly, all of us feel good when somebody says good things about us. But I'm really not a visionary. I've done okay, but I kept doing things and they kept evolving. So it sounds very, very. I don't myself see myself as a visionary, so I don't identify with that. It's nice of you to call me that, but really, I just kept doing things, and I take a compliment happily and easily, but visionary is like a little too heavy.
No. For us, you are definitely a visionary. I will tell you why, and I will definitely ask you those questions too while we are having the conversation. I also have my co-host Mamta Dhingra with me today.
Thank you.
I've had the good pleasure again of knowing Mamta for a long time, and I was on her show, and hopefully we'll record that again soon
Yes.
with a twist so that we have some freshness.
Yeah.
So happy to have
Absolutely.
met Mamta and you on the same day and on the same podcast show का.
Yeah. नहीं आपको इतने क्लोज क्वार्टर से हम भी 20 साल से देख रहे हैं ever since we've started our journey and although you've not been available but you've always been very reachable.
Yeah.
And that's been my experience that I said last time also, that there's not a single call, message, mail that ever goes unanswered. मेरे को तो वही बहुत fascinating लगता है कि आप इतना सब कुछ, how do you don so many hats?
I think as I grow older, I like to do the things to people that I would want them to do. So I'd like when I send a text, I get a response, and it's become part of me. So sometimes WhatsApps can go missed because sometimes when they go down, you lose them. And last year I had to write a chapter for somebody very important in his book, and somebody texted me about it, and I saw it after 3 months after the book had gone into print. And I felt very bad. And for last 4 months, I haven't gone to that person because I don't know what to say to him. But maybe tomorrow I'll go and meet him. So I like to do that. And I think for me, responding is easy. Not responding is tough.
Yeah.
Our business, I keep saying like, money is a currency, time is a currency, energy is a currency, communication and responsiveness is a currency. It's a capital. That's the least you can do. Like
True.
Udit, I said to you, I looked at your health in the last 2-3 years. You're super fit, and that's my goal, and that's totally in my hands.
Yeah.
I'm not so that's the least I can do, and I want to do the right things for the right manner. So I don't think too much of it. Honestly, it's like it's my second nature. So it's when I don't respond, I feel. And I have my crest and troughs at work. I have my attention span someday, though I have a support team. But again, I like to be very personal,
Yeah.
and I'd like to do it myself, though I'm learning to now delegate a lot more.
बट सर इसका ना बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. कैसे इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. तो ऑन आवर वन फाइन डे यू रिस्पॉन्डेड टू वन ऑफ आवर टीम मेंबर्स हु इज एन एग्जीक्यूटिव, and when that person saw you replying, that person was kicked. That one jumped from the chair and said, Dr. Batra replied to me. And all these young people, young generation, they do feel good, and they feel more passionate about what they are doing, and they feel kicked about it. So I believe that what you do
No,
is
it's important. See, also what happens is I keep saying, let me talk about the PR Copcom community and then make a larger point.
absolutely.
You're very important stakeholders in our ecosystem. You have a role to play.
Yeah.
Like everyone has a role to play. And for me, it is my community. So I don't think of it as a business. revenues are important. 200 people in exchange for media, salaries have to be
yeah.
paid,
Yeah.
and we've not raised capital except the angel investment from Mr. Harvansh Chawla 24 years back.
Hmm.
We've never, by God grace, we've been profitable thanks to efforts of a lot of my colleagues. But I feel that we have to be very nice to them. So I'm very responsive to them, especially young people. If they see a certain, and I'm very specific my response. Sometimes I say not interested,
Yeah.
but I do respond.
Yeah.
And I'm not hands-on genuinely. Even in business world, I don't know what story happens on a day-to-day
Yeah.
basis.
Hmm.
I know who's on cover, all those kind of things are known to me. But on a site, what is happening, I don't know. Or a community, because everything is an editor and a team. So I give them the contact. Sometimes they get hold of me, and so and I have a standard text. So I send that. At least they have the mobile numbers
Yeah.
and emails. It takes 1 second, and they're important for us.
Hmm.
They're important from 3 standpoint. One, they're the clients' gatekeepers.
Hmm.
Second, as professionals, they're doing their job, so
Yeah.
you got to engage with them. Third, it is also a community that we engage with for, in terms of IPRCCA, now in BW marketing world. So a lot of them are friends. I'm not talking the junior ones. I have to tell you a funny story, which I keep talking about PR people. 2 specific things in it. One is sometimes young people call you. They say, Anurag, will you come for the press conference? So when I was younger, 10 years back, I would be a little aggressive about
Yeah.
responding. But these days I said, yeah, sure, I'll come. If you pay me $10 million, I'll show up for the press conference. Second is, some will call you Anurag first name. So I have once or twice, maybe 3-4 times in my life, lectured them, saying if you don't know somebody well, please don't call them by your first name.
Yeah.
We're not America, we're India. Call them,
Yeah.
seek their permission.
Absolutely.
If they allow you to call you, and I do that. Yesterday, somebody is saying, I was talking to everyone, younger people, G. I said, I try to build it as my subconscious.
Hmm.
Because whatever I have in my subconscious will come out.
Yeah.
So and the third is some PR people are very pushy, which is also okay, because they're doing their job.
Hmm.
So I tell them, not interested. Also in business world, we move to a different journey. We're editorially more aggressive, we're self-sufficient. So what happens when you do well, there is a little confidence. So like in the last 2 weeks, 2 very big people, the biggest people in PR called me. One very biggest, meaning the biggest, number 1 guy, and then let's say top 10 guy. They called me on 2 stories. One was happening in business world, and I called my editor. He said, no, Anurag, everything is true, this. I sent a questionnaire, asked them to respond to the questionnaire.
Hmm.
So I'm very relationship oriented. I don't want to harm anyone. So sometimes I feel I'm the wrong guy in journalism. But I texted him, sir, ki kal story to aayega. I apologize. And next day I called him. And I know he was a little dejected, but he was very graceful. The other day, another very important person in PR called me. The story had come and saying, we'll give you whatever you need, please take. So he's a very good friend of mine, but I was a little aggressive with him. I said, never say that to me again. So sometimes, because I have gone through that stage where I was a little more open to these kind of suggestions, but I generally don't want to harm anyone. I don't want to. It's part of my nature. It's not about journalism. So what happens is, all I'm trying to say is that responding is a currency.
Yeah.
I try and do my best, and I promise you that whatever you send out comes back. It's not bullshit. I'll tell you, the energy that you send out to a person when he or she is not in the room also comes back. I'm saying, Mamta ji, आप किसी के बारे किसी के रूम 100 किलोमीटर दूर भी बोलोगे तो उस तक ऊर्जा पहुंच जाएगी.
True. Yeah.
Trust me. So I'm human. Sometimes upset. I also express my emotions, and it's okay. But let the emotions pass. Don't let them become a permanent stage. Don't hold grudges as हम बोलते हैं ना, हम याद रखेंगे. यार भूल जाओ, क्या याद रखना है. Learn, remember good things. और क्या खुद कुड़ते रहो तो if you angst, it spoils you. It doesn't spoil the other person.
Yeah, absolutely. But थोड़ा सा पीछे चलते हैं sir. How did you start? How did the idea of exchange from, because you started from journalist and you were
I didn't start as a journalist. I'll tell you. Udit, I said this to Mamta. See, I grew up in Old Gurgaon,
Yeah.
not far away from where we shooting.
And I had to know because of my father and you went in the same school. You know, do you remember?
Yeah, you told me. I'd
Yeah.
forgotten. I grew up in Old Gurgaon. My parents are academicians. In fact, after the podcast, I'm going and having lunch with my parents, and my father calls me and pampers me, gets whatever I eat made for me, and then make sure he serves it to me. He's 80. He'll be 85 in 6 months.
Touch wood. Yeah.
Moms will be 84 in 2 months. So I did engineering. Then I went to a business school, MDI, and then I started working in real estate. So I was part of the setup team of Colliers Jardine. Then with Anuj Puri, I worked in Chesterton Megraj. Then I joined AMF Bowling, which Deep Kalra was running. He was my client in Chesterton or Colliers, I'm not sure which one. And he offered me a job. I joined him. And then I joined J. Walter Thompson. So I met a batchmate of mine.
The ad agency, JWT.
Yeah, and I was in media planning. Then I was the head of outdoor. A gentleman called Surandan Chaudhary hired me in my first job in media at J. Walter Thompson. And there we realized that the process of media planning and buying is very, very inefficient. So we said we'll build a marketplace for selling and buying of media time and space. And we'll build a full service marketplace. So you run a research run. What should be I buying? What is the ratings? Or when you run, you pay 1 rupee or whatever. So in ASP, which is called SaaS now. And then you do market making, you do buying and selling. And then you do fulfillment. Just to tell you technically, simplifying the communication, advertising, there are 3 players. There is the client, there is the agency, and there is the media owner. From an advertising standpoint. So at all 3 ends, there is the processing which is triplicated. So cost of processing, there are people. बिल जनरेट हो रहा है तो यहाँ भी देख रहे हैं, यहाँ भी. अगर हम उसको एक कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म पे ले आए तो कॉस्ट कम हो जाती है. कितनी हो जाती है? They can be as low as 10. Reduction of 10%. That means 10% bottom line contribution to everybody. They can be huge. So it was a full, but we were ahead of time. I was 28 and a half. This 24 years back. No one knew us. E-commerce was very, very ahead of time. The time to do B2B e-commerce is now. So we started Exchange for Media, not to be a journalism play, not to be a media play, but we were building a marketplace for the Indian advertising, marketing, media industry. And we started a newsletter to build a brand where we started breaking stories. One of the big stories 21 years back, or 22, I got be off, or 20, was Sunil Gupta, J. Walter Thompson quitting. We broke on our platform. And then we used to be a narrow media planning buying site. Because 20 years back, the role of a media planner was much bigger than today. Clients had a lesser say. Today, clients are very involved in media buying, planning, large amounts of money, multiple other reasons. So we used to break every story in media planning buying. And it started because 2 other friends of mine, one still works, me and him are co-founders, Nawal and me. Nawal's my engineering friend. He was 2 batches junior to me in my engineering school, and we used to drink together. I don't drink anymore, but in those days I used to drink. I used to smoke, and I encourage everyone to quit smoking because it's just you're reducing your lifespan and it's not good quality of life. So me, Nawal, and another friend of mine started it. And today Nawal runs it. And, we went to our friend's home and Sarvansh asked us 2-3 questions. We answered them on a Saturday evening. Monday morning, he gave us the money. We started Exchange. He gave us a beautiful office in Kailash building. So really, a lot of things were serendipity. That's where I believe a lot in destiny and, serendipity. But we didn't start to build a media company. Exchange for Media is called Exchange for Media because we wanted to build a marketplace, an exchange. It didn't work in the first 3.5 years because we were ahead of time. Maybe we didn't know enough. Maybe people didn't trust us. Whatever, I don't know. I can give you logical answers, but I don't know what is the reason. But we are definitely ahead of time. And because AdNova, Sam Balsara started AdNova to build a marketplace that didn't work. So we were not ready as a market. And then our newsletter became so popular. And then we, in the next 2-3 years, became the homepage of everybody in advertising, marketing, media, communication. And then by God's grace, God gave us fantastic team members who in the last 23 plus years um, have helped us become the homepage of everyone in advertising, marketing, media. And we built a 360-degree platform in editorial content, in magazines, in events, in custom created initiatives to be able to engage with our community and be of some value. In every business, there are three things that matter. One is the team or the talent. Second is customers. And third is capital. So we have built ideas, initiatives, which help in all these three.
Hmm. Hmm. So you said that Exchange for Media was built in the concept of exchange, which you were talking about. But where did the editorial idea come from?
So I'll tell you, I can't remember how it came honest, but we started a newsletter. Yes, no, there was a one media marketplace in the US.com, which was also doing this. And they had started a newsletter and he said, wo kar rahe hain to hum bhi karte hain.
Hmm.
So I don't think it was an original idea. So we started a newsletter. And we always, I've said this for 24 years, content creates community, community creates commerce.
Hmm.
Content, community, commerce. So we said if we have to do commerce, we have to use content to create a community.
Hmm.
That's how it started.
Yeah. And today Exchange for Media does more than 200 events a year.
We do almost 100 events.
Okay.
Out of 75 IPs and about 20 odd and growing. We had, as our industry becomes bigger and bigger and super specialized, like we started doing an event around influencers and creators 6
Yeah.
years back. We did the PR industry event 15, 16 years back. 18 years back, we started the first microsite within E4M on the business of PR and corporate
Yeah, I
communication.
know.
So I think every stakeholder is unique. And there is so much depth in every domain, subdomain. And sometimes we cannot do justice to that on the homepage
Yeah.
or in our weekly impact or in pitch. So we started a separate community, and 2 years or 3 years back, Karan started PR Commune. It has a long way to go. And again, I have given Karan a vision for it. And I'm sure knowing Karan's own affinity for this industry and our positioning and our background, I think we'll be able to do that.
Yeah. But Exchange for Media, आप जब start हुआ, उसके बाद you said that you did that newsletter thing, right? उसके बाद you focused on events, right? Where did that idea come from? Because today I believe that I think you are the only company which does so many events, and there is an event where you are involved every day, with the companies involved every day, and also the ideas. It's not easy to run, such big events, large scale events, and also the content which you generate out of those events every day, right? So where did this come from?
First of all, the industry supports us.
Yeah.
I think our biggest support, any initiative we take to the industry, it needs their involvement. It needs involvement in content. It needs commercial involvement. And we try to explain them that this is good for the industry. So I think biggest is industry involvement. Forget the money. Just being able to lend their name, time, energy. I think that's the biggest. Then is commercially also they support. Because in the initial years, you need that. I like Inba, in the first 3-4 used to lose money.
Yeah.
And Naval would be after my life to shut it down.
Hmm.
And I used to say, no, Naval, be patient. I'm sure. Because news is important. And
Yeah.
eventually it became, but I didn't do it to make money, I must tell you.
But this is a interesting point that Udit has kind of touched upon, and I want to take it a little further because some of the key or dominating in the media barons, be it the Times or the HTs and all, we have seen them follow suit after what you have created. So in so many ways, content देखिए सबसे पहले है, था और हमेशा रहेगा, but nobody could actually think about monetizing it the way that you really stepped in and leveled it up completely.
I'll tell you, I don't know, maybe 18, 19 years back at this realization. By the way, our first conclave was called the Exchange for Media Conclave.
Conclave, yeah.
It was at the ITC Saket.
Yeah.
And I remember it for various reasons, which I'll not go into today. But someday I'll write in my book. I remember it very, very distinctly. And it went very successfully. So first of all, as I said, we don't define ourselves as a magazine, website. We are a strange company. We started 24 years back in digital and went into print.
Yes.
So we didn't start in print. We didn't start with. So first is the industry support. Second is the fact we have 40 reporters in the advertising, marketing, media, communication.
Yeah.
Between exchangeformedia.com, where
And
we have 15, maybe 20,
mm,
4 in S4M, 5, 6 in Impact,
impact.
5, 6 in Pitch,
Mm,
right? Roughly, I'm telling you, we have about between 30 to 40,
mm,
35,
Yeah.
not counting the desk people,
Yeah.
mm,
right? So for one domain, we're editorially really
Rich. mm,
very active. I could be, with all humility, we break 99% stories, whether in PR,
mm,
in advertising, in marketing, in media, in journalism. So because what happens is, and we are in touch with our community. It is a community, we're very active.
mm,
Second, I'll tell you, we're doing this podcast. She wanted to do a podcast. I did record it with her. For some various reason, it hasn't come out. But she's, I don't enjoy doing it in the Zoom, honestly.
yeah.
I like to talk to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think what comes out in a face-to-face, sit-down, physical way.
Yeah.
So I think events bring the community together.
Yeah.
Mm,
And again, we realized early that there is a power of segmentation, sub-segmentation.
mm,
So what happens then becomes your DNA, it becomes your... And touch wood, we have very good colleagues. Even anybody who's trying to copy us has hired from us. And a lot of them come back because they have freedom, they have respect.
mm,
And we deal with them on a very individual basis.
mm,
And then our brand has, as I said, the industry supports us. And then once you're in the play, then ideas come.
Yeah.
Sometimes industry people bring it to you.
Yeah.
yeah.
So point I'm trying to make is that very importantly, the events happen because there are people who are domain experts. He used to work in PR Wire.
Yeah, I know.
Mm, Yeah.
So he understands this community.
Yeah.
So my whole formula is bring somebody who understands the domain,
Mm,
is passionate and has relationships.
yeah.
And one thing I tell him, boss, सब कुछ कर, अवार्ड मत बेच.
नहीं मैं आपको अवार्ड्स पे बताऊंगा. बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सा है. आपको याद, आई डोंट नो इफ यू रिमेंबर और नॉट, बट बैक व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड 2013-14 में मैंने एक बारी आपके अवार्ड्स भरे और I didn't get shortlist. You remember I wrote a mail to you. Now, the point is people who say that, there are people who will say, and people say also कि awards बिकते हैं या कुछ है, right? But the point is कि अगर आप अच्छा काम करोगे और अच्छा नहीं लिखोगे और दिखाओगे तो नहीं आपको अवार्ड मिलेगा.
Yeah.
So that's something which
उसका भी नहीं है. क्या awards is a very... It's a process of elimination.
Mm,
So I keep saying, I'm meeting someone, she's my very close friend's wife, they're industrialist, big industrialist, she calls me Bhaiya, and I'm meeting her at 5, and their son applied and asked, and he didn't win. So last year, I had to write a mail to them, which I basically said, awards are like cricket field.
yeah.
Someday Sachin Tendulkar also gets out at 10, 20,
Yeah.
30. So it's how you present that day.
yeah.
It is a lot of that. And pre-COVID used to do physical. I like physical jury. I don't like Zoom juries.
Yeah.
Nawal and the other co-founder, there was a review with a very large advertiser. I think used to get 5 lakh rupees a month from them. And I wanted 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs. So I said, नए सेक्शन स्टार्ट करने पड़ेंगे. सो मैं 3-4 दिन लग गया. ये दोनों मेरे इतने फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए कि तू पागल है, 5 लाख से 25 लाख कैसे होगा. तो मैंने कहा यार अगर हम 3 सेक्शन हैं तो इसको. सो आई स्टार्टेड इट. इनसे PR में कंटेंट कहाँ होगा, कम्युनिकेशन के कंटेंट कहाँ होगा. मैंने कहा यार इतनी बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है, उसमें लोग हैं. सो it was born out of very simple conversations.
Yeah.
And another problem I have is, it's not a problem, it's a good thing. जब तक करोगे नहीं तब तक पता नहीं लगता है किसका है.
Totally.
So I jump.
Yeah.
I take a leap of faith.
Yeah.
And then God helps.
I have a question from you on that. आपने बोला कि आपकी formal training journalism में नहीं थी, but managing a complete editorial, and
See, I'll
being at the
tell you,
helm of affairs for so many years.
देखो ऐसा है कि my parents would get a lot of magazine newspapers.
हाँ.
So I've read Illustrated Weekly from the age of 8. I've read Sunday. So we'd got मेरी हिंदी बहुत सुदृढ़ है. We'd get both Hindi and English. So we'd get Dharam Yug, Dinman, Champak, नंदन, एक अंग्रेजी में इंडिया टुडे का आता था टारगेट. तो सब कुछ पढ़ा है ये. और अखबार टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया थी, पंजाब केसरी तब बहुत बड़ा होता
Yeah,
था,
yeah.
जागरण, भास्कर, अमर उजाला। मेरी मदर अभी भी अमर उजाला में गलतियां निकाल के मुझको मिलती रहती है।
अच्छा।
तो I read a lot, I wrote a lot.
हाँ.
And awards, again, I'm linking, it's not. I was, I think, 6 years old, I could be 4 or 5. My older sister went for a painting competition.
Okay.
And I tagged along with my parents and sister. Of course, I was very small. So I painted a mouse and I got the second prize. So I think I got an award. Sometimes I say maybe that got me on my award journey. But that's just like extending a memory into
Yeah.
something current. So editorial is about content. I read a lot.
Yeah.
I am I'm very interested in Gen AI. So
Yeah.
I'm reading a lot, and I feel the more I read, the less I know, the more. So I think till the age of 30, I read a lot.
Okay.
In fact, I would say in the last 22 years, I've read less, though it's my job because a lot of my part becomes administrative and then people contact. But it does take up my time.
Yeah.
But till the age of 30, I was religious about consuming content. So the more you write, the more you read. I don't think editorial is rocket science.
सो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कैसे हुई सर? आइडिया
देखो, मैं ये स्टोरी किसी को नहीं पता शायद। तो मेरा एक रूममेट था एमडीआई में, उसका नाम है बालाकृष्णन केसवन। जब भी मैं चेन्नई जाता हूँ, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ उसके घर जाऊँ। मैं 27 दिसंबर को गया था चेन्नई, मेरे एक दोस्त एंटिनो की शादी पे, और 24 जनवरी को गया था प्राइड ऑफ इंडिया अवार्ड्स।
आई एम फैसिनेटेड विद द वे यू रिमेंबर डेट्स।
आई एम अ क्विजर,
Yeah.
तो मेरे को याद रहता है। और लोग पूछते कैसे, एनीथिंग दैट यू फोकस ऑन इट बिकम्स पार्ट ऑफ योर सबकॉन्शियस। मुझे ज्यादा
Effort नहीं
मारना
लगता
पड़ता, ज्यादा नहीं मारना पड़ता, थोड़ा तो मारना पड़ता है बिना। बट एनीथिंग दैट यू ट्रेन योरसेल्फ, व्हाटएवर, जिसका जो भी है, इट बिकम्स सेकंड नेचर,
Yeah.
इट बिकम्स पार्ट ऑफ योर सबकॉन्शियस। एंड व्हेन आई एम रेस्टेड, मेरे को 7 घंटा बहुत अच्छा नींद आया कल, 3 से 10 बहुत अच्छा नींद आया। इनफैक्ट आई वाज वरीड कि मैं मॉर्निंग में टाइम पे उठूंगा नहीं उठूंगा, बट मेरे को बहुत अच्छा नींद आया।
सो यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप।
So Bala, I met him, his mother, he lost his father a couple of years, 2 years back. तो बाला एक दिन आया मेरे पास, 4 साल हो गए थे मैं नौकरी करते। तो जब गुड़गांव आता है, चेन्नई से है, तो आता है, मम्मी पापा को भी जानता है। तो उसने बोला मैं ये वेंचर स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, मेरे में इतने पैसे लगा दिए हैं, तो मेरा पार्टनर बन जा। तो मैंने बोला हाँ। तब मैं एचटी में काम करता था। आई टोल्ड माय डैड आई विल क्विट माय जॉब एंड जॉइन हिम। सो माय डैड आस्क्ड, सो हाउ मच सैलरी? आई सेड स्टार्टअप में पैसे नहीं मिलते अभी। सो माय डैड सेड, तू पागल है, स्टार्टअप क्या होता है? ये 26 साल पहले की बात है। So I didn't join, and he got a lot of funding, and eventually his venture, for whatever reasons, didn't work out. But Bala is a super professional and a super human being. He was my roommate in the second year, and a very, very close friend of mine and my wife. So जब अगली बार मेरे को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आई, एक आइडिया आया, तो आई जम्प्ड। सो इट वाज अगेन नॉट वेरी, लोग बोलते हैं ना ये विजनरी, की सोचा ऐसे कोई पेड़ के नीचे बैठे थे। It just came to me and I acted on it, and then trust me, I believe in this.
Yeah.
I called Harvansh because he was a lawyer. I knew only 2 lawyers, Diljit Titers and Harvansh Chawla. I called Harvansh, and a large industrialist wanted to invest in exchange. So he said, कल SHA लेके आ जाना, मंडे को SHA लेके आ जाना। मैंने उनसे पूछा नहीं SHA क्या होता है। हरवंश को फोन आया, SHA क्या होता है? बोला क्यों चाहिए? मैं कंपनी स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। अच्छा, मेरे को मिल। So I met him at Taj Place for breakfast, and he said, "So what is the idea? Explain." And he said, "कितने पैसे चाहिए?" मैंने कहा 70 लाख रुपए। तो मेरे से ले ले। तो शाम को we went to his home. So it happened. And first 3 years we came to shutting down the E4M twice, thrice. We made mistakes. I will someday tell you those. But then we pivoted to becoming a media company.
Yeah.
And then, so when you stay in the play, see, I genuinely believe in God.
Yeah.
बिजनेस वर्ल्ड भी 7 साल प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं था, कोविड में प्रॉफिटेबल हो गया। सेम टीम, सेम लोग, सेम एटीट्यूड ब्रॉडली, तो क्या चेंज हुआ? कल को बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा। आई एम द सेम पर्सन, एडिटोरियली ऑल्सो। So I think you have to be in the play, you have to believe you can make it happen, you have to pray, you have to work very hard, you have to build relationships and be genuine in that, build a team and be at it. Entrepreneurship, as a book by Ben Horowitz says, hard things about hard things. That's a book. It's a very hard
Yeah.
thing. It's not easy. We in the media glamorize.
Hmm.
And, you know, my kids have grown up. My daughter's 20, 60. My first venture, I was just working. I work now also. But now I can choose if I want. I
Yeah.
rarely take a holiday. But, you know, I can choose to take a holiday. But I didn't have the luxury of a holiday.
Hmm.
Right? I used to have 20 people. Today we have 200 people in E4M. Everything is delegated, everything. So it happened. And, you know, every now and then I sit down with Naval, say, how do we pivot? Like on 8th October 2019, the Shara Day, I was in Bombay. And I told Naval, let's meet and spend whole day ideating. And we built the business plan for the next 5 years. We haven't still executed it. We wanted to build an edutech business online. This is before COVID, in advertising,
2019,
communication,
yeah.
PR.
Yeah.
And then I gave him an international expansion plan, segmentation, 8 hours without phone.
But you did something in education as well with
I
Friction
failed.
Footwear.
Very good. So I had a senior colleague in advertising in initial days. His name is Sajalda, Sri Sajal Mukherjee. He's now director of the APJ. So he started a media school with another friend, Mr. Sharma.
Okay.
Then he came to me, Anurag, why don't you become my partner? So I became his partner, invested a lot of money. 14 years back, whatever we and Niti had saved, we put in the school. It was called FMCC, Futuristic. And then I brought in my late friend, Mr. Atul Maheshwari, owner of Amar Ujala, as a partner. God bless his soul. One of the most amazing, kindest, noble souls I met in my life. And the media school did well. 5 years, 5 batches. And then one day, Mr. Maheshwari died. And he was a large shareholder in the school. And the school was still not profitable. So we took a call to shut it down. But 5 batches, Rubika Liaquat is from my school. About 200 professionals in the. So I still have a dream of building India's largest media university. That's one bucket list item I have.
To be taken.
So that's the breaking news which I'm getting. from
No,
this.
it is on my. And I believe whatever you send out comes back. Dreams do come true.
You were doing physical events during COVID. So before COVID, one fine day COVID happened. Physical events stopped. How did you change?
यार तो चॉइस ही नहीं थी. मैं तो वैसे भी किसी को मिलना होता है, ट्रेनी को, सीईओ को, कलीग को, दोस्त को मैं बोलता हूँ आ जा. I'd like to meet. I'm a face-to-face person. So I didn't like it, but I had 3-4 good things happen in COVID. I'm a very social person. So my engineering batchmates will call me. तो मैंने इतना ऑनलाइन काम किया, रोज एक शो करता था, 4 लाइव करता था, तो मैं फोकस्ड हो गया बहुत. वो एक बहुत फायदा हुआ. तीसरा मैंने ऑनलाइन की पावर देखी. थर्ड, we discovered that remote in events also works. In work also helps. I mean, it was not a good time. People lost their lives. I'm very sensitive. Lost their livelihoods. But it was a good time for my company.
Oh. Okay. And up, space, let's talk
and
about...
my colleagues stepped up. Whether it was Hoshi Gaswala, Aparna, Tali, Someji, Devika. A lot of my colleagues did so much good work in that. Because सब paranoid हो गए.
Yeah.
And everybody was connecting too. Right, everybody was supporting each other at that particular
that
time.
was the beautiful. And we talk of resilience. A lot of people were very resilient, very supportive, they're very nurturing.
Yeah. And what right now, if you actually look at the entire media landscape, while you talk about print magazine, right? Let's talk about digital too. How is it evolving?
First
and
of
the
all,
technology which you are bringing in.
Print is dying. ये मैं myth को बोल रहा था.
हाँ.
Print will never die. रेडियो के बारे में 40 साल से सुन रहे हो.
बिल्कुल.
टीवी आ गया, अब रेडियो में. क्या होता है कि हर चीज की एक अपनी जगह होती है. ऑनलाइन की एक अपनी जगह है, फिजिकल की अपनी जगह है, प्रिंट की अपनी जगह. देयर इज serendipity, there is a lean in experience, there is certain credibility, there is a limited space, so quality. Of course digital is growing. To say digital is not growing, but we are in the business of brand and content.
Yeah.
I will build business world big digitally. Exchange for Media तो है ही. And we have unique ideas. Watch us over the next 3 to 6 years. So we're pivoting. So digital is growing. But I want to say something philosophical, Udit and Mamta ji. The more the digital grows, the value of human touch grows. It becomes even more premium.
Hmm.
Wow, how do you say that? sir?
I genuinely take in every look at hospitality.
Yeah,
You value meeting. I value meeting someone much more than
much more.
I value a
yeah.
physical experience because we
Yeah.
yearn for that.
Yeah.
So and it will become premium because Zoom तो कर लेते हो सबके साथ.
Touch नहीं है. There is no touch when you're
That's
not.
as a face to face बहुत.
Hmm.
So digital is growing. There's no question. Today in ADEX 40% is digital, become
Yeah.
50-60%.
Hmm.
Within that 40%, 60-70% is programmatic. So it's growing. There's a duopoly, so we'll have to break that. But there is enough space.
Hmm.
So we are in the business of content and audiences, brand and content. So we'll build.
No, not digitally, but let's talk about some, technology which I'm sure the media will also be using. Like,
So
everybody
AI,
talks about
generative AI is used.
Yeah.
Hmm.
The application of generative and a lot of people say, I want to ask you, Udit and Mamta,
Hmm.
you know ChatGPT?
Yeah.
Yes.
There is ChatGPT free, ChatGPT
Yeah.
Pro.
Yes.
Yeah.
How many users of ChatGPT Pro, paid users? Guess karo. I want to take a number.
I don't have any clue about that.
Clue, एक guess तो करो यार.
Okay.
होंगे 1 crore, 2 crores?
10 million, 2
10
crore,
million,
20 million.
20
हाँ.
Yeah.
2 crore 20
आप
million.
guess करो.
Close to 10 million. 10 million.
180.8 million paid subscribers.
Paid
Wow.
subscriber.
So the usage cases are used.
But it's also affecting people while they
It
just
will.
chill.
So it is upskilling.
Yeah.
जैसे आपके फोन में वो स्पेल चेक कर लेता है वो भी तो AI है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
या आपको प्रॉम्प्ट भेजता है वो भी तो AI है. या सर्च सी इट इज एन इम्प्रूव्ड सर्च, इम्प्रूव्ड
Yeah.
प्रॉम्प्ट्स. So it's a tool.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And there is something called singularity.
Hmm.
It is predicted that by 2034 it will be singularity. In my view, it will come ahead.
Okay.
Hmm.
So AI is the most disruptive thing that will change.
Mhm.
And it's much beyond the hype. It's a reality,
Hmm.
deeply impacting. So we'll all have to retool ourselves, re-equip
Totally.
ourselves. It's a tool.
Yeah.
It's like you can have a driver or you can drive. That means, you moved up.
Yeah.
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 So इतने सब कुछ करने में सर कभी मेंटल फटीग नहीं होता बिकॉज यू
होता है
सेड
यार.
दैट कि आप हॉलिडे नहीं लिया आपने मैंने तो
नहीं,
नहीं
मेरे को
देखा कभी
देखिए, मैं जेन्युइनली बिलीव सबको रिलैक्स होना अच्छा लगता है. मेरे को आई एम अ न्यूज जंकी, मुझे न्यूज देखना अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
संडे को आई डोंट मिस फरीद ज़कारिया's GPS on CNN.
Hmm.
I try and not miss Christiana Amanpour's any show.
Yeah.
I love reading books. I like to meet my family and friends.
Hmm.
I love to watch movies. I haven't watched the movie in 1.5, 2 years. Last movie I went with
तो
Karan,
इतना
Ved,
फ्यूल
Dhruv.
कहाँ से
हाँ,
है मतलब
तो
how
मतलब मैं
much-
काम करता रहता हूँ लेकिन I like. But I have dreams and responsibilities. Between both these, I still have lots of things that are planned and I can see them happening. So if I stay the course, which I will, God will help, a lot more to on the road I am in improve business world, improve exchange for media. I've invested in a company called IWM Buzz.
Yeah.
I've invested in Fandrum. There's a coffee company called Beanly. I invested in
Okay.
Thick Shake Factory. So I want to work with them. I want to mentor people. I want to give a lot more to my MDI alumni.
Hmm.
But right now I'm focused on business world. See, I am not operational in E4M. Naval runs it. Sunil ji works with Naval. I'm there for INVA, Impact Person of the Year.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I have spent 99.99% time in business world.
business world.
Yeah.
So there's a lot to improve and it's on the right track.
Hmm.
6 months more, give us 6 more months. We build something special.
आपने एक कॉलम लिखते हैं मीडिया मंत्रास
अब मैं पहले लिखता था, आजकल नहीं
हाँ
लिखता
लिखते
हूँ.
हैं
ओकेजनली लिखता हूँ तो मैं
तो
मेरे से आप उस पे आप रॉयल्टी मत चार्ज करना. But I like writing, but I only write when I am strongly moved by something.
no but you used to write it right
Yeah, that time I used to write it weekly,
हाँ
Hmm.
but I have to strongly feel. तब अभी थोड़े responsibility and writing के लिए ना I need clean
Time.
time. So 99% I write in flights, then I improve it
हाँ
in the next 1-2 days.
Hmm.
So that's what because 2-3 बॉम्बे जाता हूँ. 90% my travel is Bombay.
Hmm.
So ये है. बाकी through your podcast I want to say 2 things which
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
one is sleep enough. Sleep 9 hours.
Hmm.
8 hours. The more you sleep, don't feel guilty about sleep. You're rejuvenating. If you sleep well, you'll do well in your relationships, in your work, in your eating, in your health. Second is I keep saying this is my favorite 6 words, the 3 C's, the 3 H's. And I keep saying it because I find new audiences. One is shun away the 3 C's. Don't complain too much.
Hmm.
छोटा मोटा ठीक है. Don't compare. Everyone's journey is unique. Don't criticize. People criticize people
yeah
without knowing too much.
Hmm.
you're doing your come around.
Yeah.
And the 3 H's, one is hard work. Life, जो जिस चीज में जितना effort डालोगे उतना उम्दा निकलेगी. Whatever you put in, it'll come. Second is hope. I genuinely hope I can be better next time on the podcast. I'll have to be prepared. And last is humility, vinamrata. The more you are recognized, you become famous, you have money, be more humble. सच्ची में एक तो खुद पे लाइट रहता है. ड्रामा करने की जरूरत नहीं. कई लोग बोलेंगे यार हमें अपना मोबाइल नंबर नहीं याद है, मुझे अपनी बीवी का बर्थडे याद नहीं है. No, I don't know. Oh, you carry cards. My team tells me, why do you carry business card? You should say, I don't have a card. You shouldn't give out your number. One of my investors told me, I listen to them. So मेरे को अजीब लगता है.
Yeah.
You know, it's very fashionable. I don't have a card. I don't carry. So such people, I say, I carry a lot of cards. I'm carrying these many today. So, you know, और जो जैसा है वैसा यूनिक है. Accept people for who they are, as
Yeah.
long as they're not dysfunctional.
Yeah.
Every person is unique. Build on their strengths, build on their positives.
That's true. I
Very
think
well
that is
said.
what we
Yeah.
learn from people like you, and you have built that, and you are walking that path for sure.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Dr.
Udit, I have
Batra,
enjoyed talking to you.
for
Talking is
sparing.
cathartic. You could have charged me for it,
And
for making me speak so much. But I feel good.
thank you so much for your time.
You know, all of us feel that we have stories. And I have lots of stories.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I've lived a life full of relationships, being part of companies, being part of communities. So I have lots of stories.
Yeah.
किस दिन हम stories पे बात करेंगे, मैं आपको
बिल्कुल.
अपने podcast पे बुलाऊंगा.
और मुझे भी तो बुलाना है
आपको
आपको
हाँ,
अपने
बिल्कुल ममता
पॉडकास्ट
जी.
पे. तो we
थोड़ा
have
अलग करेंगे
opportunities. Yes,
इससे
yes.
ताकि कुछ निकले.
Yes.
But I've enjoyed talking to you. My dad must be calling me. He must have made 10 calls to me on my phone.
You must rush.
Yeah, of
and
course.
Thanks a lot.
Thank
once
you so
again,
much
sir.
God
for that.
bless you.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
useful. Thank you.